Students, today we will learn the new topic, that is email. Fine. Regarding email, little bit we all have information, but today we will try to learn the mail in detail. Fine. First of all, let's have the introduction of the mail, what it is. Email, the full form you can say that it is called electronic mail. It's an electronic exchange of messages, means sending our messages through the electronic media, that is email. Email doesn't require any physical components like pen, paper for compiling the information or for writing the information, or any manpower for delivering your message. फाइन, जैसे पोस्टमैन होते हैं, लेटर को एक प्लेस लोकेशन से दूसरी लोकेशन ले जाते हैं, but in email it's not required. The physical components like your delivery boy, your pen, paper, nothing like that is required. It's a quick and inexpensive way to stay in touch with your near and dear ones almost anywhere. Means no charges are for this, only you need the net connection. It's the quickest way for transferring your message, whether your person to whom you are sending the message, he or she may be anywhere in the whole world. An email recipient doesn't even have to be available when mail is sent to her. Means whenever you are sending the mail, it's not a compulsion that the person is always available on the mail. Like अगर postman कभी आता है तो person must be present at the home to receive the letter. But in case of email, whenever the receiver will open his or her email, at that time he or she will receive the message. Fine. So no need for the physical presence. It is stored in the mail server and the recipient can log in and download it at a convenient time. The same thing I told, whenever the person will log in into the Gmail or email account, at the same time he or she can receive all the messages. Next, what is the importance of email? Email is fast, first and most important thing. Email provides the fastest mode of messaging when compared to other modes like post, telegram. Just you have to type the message and specify the address, means to which mail ID you want to send, and just click on send. Within a few seconds your message will be sent. Then next is mass mailing. Mass mailing, suppose I have to send a message to 100 person, तो आपको पहले ज़माने में 100 letters लिखने पड़ते, but now only one message can be sent to 100 or more than that recipients. Means you can target multiple audience in one go using the mail facility. Mail is used as a marketing tool to attract the customers. Means हमें भी बहुत सारी मेल्स आती हैं like regarding marketing, तो that ऐसा तो नहीं कि हर बंदा आपको इंडिविजुअल मेल कर रहा है. Collectively the mass mailing is done. Means एक क्लिक पे आप 1000, 2000 मेल they are done. Mail for record keeping. Always, until you delete your mail, it's always there in your Gmail or mail account. So it means any mail we can keep for the record or the proof also. Okay, so use email as a record keeper for all your conversations and discussions. Mail can be used as a proof of dialogue between two parties for future reference. Fine. Means if any of the mail, any decision is taken on the mail, then that mail has to be kept for record. So in mail, until you delete your mail, till then it is not going anywhere. Fine. Next is growth of organization. Maintaining and growing your mail database will allow you to fully utilize the service, including free broadcast mails and an upgraded version of HTML mails in order to reach more participants. Means in today's modern trend, mail is the best media to approach your customers or clients or to whomsoever you are in contact. Means it in today's trend, it's the best version for the communication. Fine. Now mail services. In last 2 decades, they have brought an exponential boom in the count of mail services. The service providers are putting a lot of efforts in increasing the services provided through the mails, increasing the span to not just mailing but also sharing multimedia. Means only written message is not shared. We can share videos, audios, images, written material, attachment, documents, whatever you want to share, that can be shared. Now some of the mail services we are discussing one by one here. The first and the most popular mail service is Gmail. ओके मेल का नाम लेते ही सबके ज़बान पे जीमेल का नाम आता है. इट्स अ गूगल प्रोडक्ट ऑब्वियसली. इट प्रोवाइड्स 15 GB ऑनलाइन फ्री स्टोरेज फॉर एवरी यूज़र. Fine. Information transmission using the HTTPS means S for security. It follows this protocol to provide protection from phishing or malware or the virus attack. The user can send attachment of up to 25 MB with the mail. Means 25 MB तक की फाइल आप इसके साथ आराम से भेज सकते हैं. And if the file is more than that weightage, then we can follow the Google Drive. Money transfer option also available in some countries. Gmail also provide the money transfer, but not in India it is right now. In many of the countries it's there. Gmail app in Android, in iPhones, provide portability to the end user. Means it is available in both the types of phones in the form of app also. Mostly used for personal mail. Gmail is maximum it is used for the personal use. Gmail connects the user with other services. Means Gmail की और इतनी सारी services हैं. Google Drive है, YouTube है, Google Play है. All that we are using. Dropbox है. So many other facilities are there. Next is Outlook.com. It is also a mail service. Mail account can be created on this. It's an integration of Microsoft Office package within the email. नहीं जब आप Microsoft Office original package लेते हैं, in that automatically the Outlook is there. In the Office package it is included. Practically unlimited storage via application OneDrive. Inbuilt in the mail. Means जितने भी आप डाटा स्टोर करते हैं मेल पे, that is saved on the OneDrive. Okay. Skype Messenger video chat is already integrated within this Outlook mail account. Use of DMARC for better security. Mostly preferred on an organization level. Fine. ज़्यादातर जितनी बड़ी-बड़ी organizations हैं, they are using this Outlook.com. Next is Yahoo Mail. Yahoo. It's a Yahoo product. It provides 1 TB of free mail service. 1 TB. फाइन. जैसे Gmail आपको 15 GB दे रहा है, ऐसे ही Yahoo आपको 1 TB दे रहा है. Yahoo Messenger integrated with Yahoo Mail. Best in class anti-spam feature. Means here spam mails are almost nil. Okay, both POP and IMAP supported by this mail service. These are the protocols basically. Other popular mailing services are AOL Mail, Hotmail, Zoho Mail, Mail.com, Yandex Mail, Inbox.com, iCloud Mail. These all are other mail services, but at most popularity level Gmail, Outlook and Yahoo. These are mostly in use. Now how to open a email account? कैसे खोलेंगे? Suppose I don't have my Gmail account, then how? Today we will learn to create an account on Gmail. To sign up for Gmail, first of all we have to create a Google account. Okay, Google पे account होना चाहिए. For creating the account on Google, we have to look or we have to open this page, accounts.google.com, sign up. Okay, a form will appear on your screen. Then you have to fill your personal detail and there you will get the next step button. Let me show you this practically. Suppose first of all when you open that accounts.google.com, already I have opened this page, this window will appear in front of you. If already you have created the account, then just type your account name, then next it will ask for the password. But right now we are learning to create our account. Okay, for that you have to click here, create account. When you click on this, then this form will appear. It is asking regarding your first name, last name, what user ID you want to have, okay, what password you will use, then again retyping your password, all that is required here. Then you will click on next button. Okay, after clicking on the next button, it will ask to verify your account. Okay, then you have to press continue button. There you will get, जहाँ पे अभी मैंने next दिखा है वहीं पर continue होगा. Next screen will ask you to enter the verification code received on your mobile. Means it will ask your mobile number और उस मोबाइल नंबर पे आपको एक OTP आएगा. Means it will confirm, it will verify that it's you. Okay, and that OTP you will mention, and जैसे ही आप OTP डालेंगे your my account screen will appear in front of you. आपका Gmail account बन के ready हो जाएगा. Clear? Now let me show you how to log in to the Gmail account. Clear? चलिए, here I have opened. Let me type my email ID. Okay, then next. After clicking on next, just type your password. Fine, then just press enter and it will log into your account. Fine, it will take only just few seconds and your login account will be ready. This is your first view of your Gmail account. Clear? This is how you will log in. अब क्रिएशन और लॉगिन इन क्लियर है. अब हम चलते हैं हाउ टू कंपोज अ मेल. कंपोज मीन्स एक आई वॉन्ट टू सेंड अ मैसेज टू समवन एल्स, देन हाउ टू फ्रेम दैट मैसेज, कैसे मेल तैयार करें. फाइन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्लिक द कंपोज बटन ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ योर जीमेल पेज. You will see various button and text boxes in the compose mail window. Fill in the intended username in the to text box. CC में डालें, BCC में डालें and summarize the purpose of the mail in subject. Enter the content of the mail and last में send. बहुत सारे steps हो गए ना, boring है. चलिए, let me show you practically. Here, this button you can see, this is compose. Okay, I have clicked on compose and after that here you will type in to box. To means to whom you want to send. Suppose मुझे मेल भेजनी है abc@gmail.com. Okay, this is the email ID of the person to whom I want to send. Clear? उसके बाद यहाँ पर दो बटन है CC. CC means carbon copy. Means along with this person I want to send to someone else also. Okay, किसी और को भी भेजना है मैंने gmail.com. Done. Next is BCC. BCC means blank carbon copy. Means I don't want to tell other people or I don't want to tell this person कि मैंने किसी और को भी मेल भेजी है. Okay, that's why it is called blind carbon copy. Blank carbon copy भी कह देते हैं, but exact name is blind carbon copy. Blind. Okay, इसे पता नहीं चलेगा कि हमने इन्हें भी भेजी है, इन्हें भी भेजी है. Clear? But it's not a compulsion कि आप CC भी दें और आप BCC का एड्रेस भी दें. Only अगर आपको सिंपल मेल भेजनी है, just write the email ID in to box. Okay, and that's it. Then in the subject, regarding आपका मैसेज किस चीज़ से रिलेटेड है, द मेन सब्जेक्ट यू कैन टाइप हेयर, लाइक मैंने टेस्ट में लिखा है जस्ट. देन हेयर द मेन बॉडी ऑफ द टेक्स्ट, जो भी आप लिखना चाहें, वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू राइट दैट यू कैन राइट. ओके, वट एवर, आई एम जस्ट सैम्पल हो गया, इट्स रेडी. हेयर द सब्जेक्ट आई हैव रिटर्न, हेयर सब्जेक्ट, here body and here the email ID of the person to whom I want to send. ये सब तैयार हो गया. Our mail is ready. The last step is this blue button. You can see send. Click on this button and your mail will be sent. Clear है everyone? चलिए, next is formatting text. Means formatting का meaning how to decorate. how to decorate your text. We can use various inbuilt text formatting options to modify the appearance of the mail. Means जैसे हम सिंपल टाइप करते हैं तो ओनली ब्लैक एंड वाइट सिंपल फॉर्मेट, ना कोई बोल्ड ना इटैलिक्स, नथिंग इज देयर. So we want to format that. How we can do that? We can do the text in bold, italics, underline, change font size, style, color. We can indent the text and bullets and number also. Let's see कहाँ पर हैं ये चीज़ें. हम गए अपनी text में. Here, suppose this test word I want to format. First of all, I have selected it. Here you can see bold, B I have done, italics done, underline done. From here I can choose the color which I want. From here I can choose the alignment, right, left, center I have chosen. And here bullets I have done 1 2 3. Okay, and from here if you want to apply bullet instead of numbering, that also can be done. Any font style you particularly you want to give, that can be done. And from here the text size. Look, done everything. This is how we can format the text. Clear? Next is sending a mail with attachment. Means I want to send a file in my mail. Then what to do? Gmail provides the feature of attachment. We can attach any video, we can attach any audio, any document, whatever we want. First of all we will compose our mail. Composing हम बता चुके हैं, है ना. And after composing your mail, at the bottom bar you will see a paper clip icon. जैसे WhatsApp में attachment का सिंबल होता है ऊपर अटैच करने के लिए. In the same way the same icon is available here. Just click on that and select your file. Now let me show you the same here. This is the paper clip type, you can see. And when you take your mouse pointer on this, it will show attached file. Click on this, it will take you to the here, just like my computer window. Wherever your photo is, suppose my photo is at the desktop, so click on desktop. Whatever you want to attach, suppose I want to attach an image, click on that and click on open. Now here you will see that it will start attaching your file. दिख रहा है? The process is started. अगर attach होने से पहले send कर देंगे तो this file will not go with your mail. Means when it is completed, then only just click on send. At that time your file is attached. Okay, to remove a file attached to a message, just click the cross button. Means suppose मुझे ये photo भेजना ही नहीं है. Okay, so here you can see this cross button. Just click on cross and that will be removed. Fine? Clear? Next is email actions. Means what other things we can do in mail. Means there are 4 basic categories of folders. First is inbox. जहाँ पे हमने compose button use किया था उसी से नीचे there is a list of buttons. First button is inbox. Inbox नाम से clear है, जहाँ पे in हो वो box जहाँ पे in. What in? Means messages आपके आ रहे हो. Got it? An inbox is the main folder where your incoming mails get stored in. Means जितनी भी messages, जितनी भी mails you are receiving, they all collectively get stored in inbox. Your mail in the inbox are automatically categorized into primary, social and promotion. Means हमें problem होती ही नहीं है. Whatever the basic mails, important mails we are receiving, that is categorized or collectively put in the primary, and rest like YouTube, Insta, ये social media sites की जो भी mails होती हैं that is in social, and other promotional are in promotion. Next is starred. Means stars appear to the left of the sender's name in the inbox and can be marked for later use. Means starred means we have to mark, कहते हैं ना star mark कर दो. So the mail which we want to see for later use, that we can star mark. Okay, that is called start. Next is sent mails. Obviously name से clear है, the mails which we have sent to others, those mails we can see in the sent mails. Next is drafts. all the saved messages, means हमने मेल तैयार कर ली but still we have not sent, means compose कर दी हैं but not sent. They all messages are saved in the draft folders. There are several other folders also like important. ये भी जिस मैसेज को हम इम्पॉर्टेंट जैसे स्टार मार्क किया था, इन द सेम वे जिस मैसेज को आप इम्पॉर्टेंट मार्क करेंगे दैट यू विल गेट इन इम्पोर्टेंट फोल्डर. देन chats folder are also there, all the chats are saved in chat folder. All mails collectively, each and every mail, whether that is sent mail, draft mail, steered mail, important mail, inbox wali mail, कोई भी mail हो, collectively we can see all those mails in all mails folder. Next is spam. All unwanted mails automatically they are stored in the spam folder. एक term भी आती है, what do you mean by spam? तो ऑल अनवांटेड मेल्स जो हमारी ज़रूरत की नहीं है बट फॉर मार्केटिंग लोग भेज देते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड स्पैम. चलिए लेट मी शो यू प्रैक्टिकली दिस. हेयर इट्स माई ईमेल ID. Here the first folder, inbox. Whatever the mails you will receive that is saved in the inbox folder. Okay. और आप देखें जो मेल्स आपको डार्क ब्लैक में दिखती हैं, हाईलाइटेड दिख रहे हैं, इट मीन्स दे आर स्टिल दे आर नॉट ओपनड, देखा नहीं है हमने. एंड व्हेन वी क्लिक ऑन दिस दैट विल यू विल see that message. Starred, it is starred. You can see only 2 mails are starred. अब start कैसे करते हैं, मैं inbox पे जा रही हूँ. You can see in front of every mail there is a star, है ना, जिस पे आप क्लिक कर देंगे that will become a starred mail and that will get collected in the starred folder. Okay, in the same way important folder है. अब ये कैसे होगा, look here, these are the mails. अब this is the symbol for important. अगर आप इसको क्लिक करेंगे then it becomes important mail. तो and it will also get collected at the important. Fine. Same way sent. Those mails which you have sent, just click here and that will be saved. That will be shown कि आपने कौन कौन सी mails भेजी हैं. Next is draft. Means those mails which you have prepared. अभी मैं टेस्ट मेल आपको प्रिपेयर करके दिखाई थी ना, कंपोज मैंने भेजी नहीं थी, तो that mail you can see here, means that is composed, mail is ready but we have not sent. That you will see in the draft folder. Okay, and else उसके बाद और भी बहुत सारी हैं. यू कैन सी स्पैम है, ऑल मेल्स है, स्पैम, ऑल अनवांटेड मेल्स यू विल फाइंड हियर. लुक हियर, ओनली द मार्केटिंग पर्पज इज देयर फॉर दीज मेल्स. फाइन. All mails, whether your mail is sent, inbox, sent, draft, whatever it is, every mail is available here. Got it? Clear? This is the actions can be done on the Gmail. Next is reading and Gmail. अब एक मेल को रीड कैसे करते हैं, अभी मैंने आपको रीड करना बताया है कैसे. अ न्यू मेल आर मार्क्ड बोल्ड इन द इनबॉक्स, अभी दिखाया मैंने, दैट विल बी विजिबल इन डार्क ब्लैक बोल्ड. प्लेस योर माउस ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर मेल एंड क्लिक ऑन दैट मेल विल ओपन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. फाइन. और फिर बैक एरो से यू कैन गो बैक. चलिए ये भी दिखा देते हैं. सपोज दिस इज अनओपन्ड. ओके, क्लिक ऑन दिस मेल, दैट विल बी ओपन और वापस आपने जाना, दिस इज द बैक. क्लियर? दिस इज हाउ वी कैन गो बैक. देन हाउ टू रिप्लाई एन ईमेल. कोई मेल आई है मेरे पास, आई वॉन्ट टू रिप्लाई. फाइन. कैसे रिप्लाई? लेट्स यू सेंड अ रिस्पॉन्स टू अ मेल. मीन्स फॉर एनी ऑफ द मेल रिसीव्ड यू वॉन्ट टू सेंड अ रिस्पॉन्स उसी सेम मेल पे, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ reply. To reply a message, just click in the box below the message and type away. Click the arrow icon at the top right corner of the message you received. Select the reply option to open the reply dialog box. When you reply, the previous text from the rest of the conversation can be seen by clicking the show trimmed content icon. Means जो मैसेज आपको रिसीव हुआ है and on that same message you want to reply, at the time of reply that same message will be shown to you in the trimmed form. अब वो trimmed form क्या है, चलो देखते हैं हम. Suppose here I have received this mail, okay, and I want to reply it. Clear? तो first of all click on it. ओपन कर ली मैंने, ठीक है। इसी ईमेल के नीचे यू विल सी दिस रिप्लाई बटन दिख रहा है, और यहाँ दो ऑप्शन है और भी दिखा रही हूँ, हेयर यू कैन ऑल्सो सी रिप्लाई बटन, गॉट इट। और यहाँ पर भी आपको रिप्लाई बटन मिलेगा, मीन्स एट 3 प्लेसेस द रिप्लाई ऑप्शन इज देयर। सपोज मैंने यहाँ क्लिक किया, ऑटोमेटिकली ईमेल आईडी इज देयर, मीन्स जहाँ से मेल आई है द सेम ईमेल आईडी इज गिवन हेयर। हेयर वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू टाइप you can type, okay, and here अब ट्रिम्ड मैसेज कह रहे थे, कहाँ दिख रहा है यहाँ पर ट्रिम्ड मैसेज, हेयर दिख रहा है, शो ट्रिम्ड कंटेंट। जैसे आप माउस को पॉइंटर ले गए, क्लिक ऑन दिस एंड वट एवर दे हैव सेंड द मैसेज दैट इज गिवन हेयर, और सिर्फ आपने ना सब्जेक्ट लिखना ना ईमेल आईडी लिखनी, नथिंग, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन सेंड, दैट्स डन। मैसेज आया, मैसेज सेंट, क्लियर है। दिस इज हाउ वी कैन reply a mail. Next is forwarding a mail. से एक मेल आई है मेरे पास, the same mail I want to send to someone else. Now how that can be done? Forwarding lets you resend a message in your inbox. Means एक मैसेज को दोबारा मुझे या तो खुद को भेजना है और I want to send it that to someone else. व्हाट्सएप में जैसे मैसेज फॉरवर्ड करते हैं, कहीं और का आया मैसेज कहीं और भेजते हैं, that is same thing is here forwarding. ओपन द मैसेज यू वॉन्ट टू फॉरवर्ड, सबसे मेन चीज़, जैसे अभी रिप्लाई किया उसी की साइड में फॉरवर्ड बटन था ना, क्लिक द एरो आइकन ऑन द टॉप राइट कॉर्नर ऑफ द मैसेज यू रिसीव्ड, क्लिक ऑन फॉरवर्ड बटन, एड द रिसिपेंट। अब हमें यहाँ पर ईमेल आईडी डालनी है, रिप्लाई में हमने क्यों नहीं डाली थी, बिकॉज जिससे मैसेज आया उसी को रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली द ईमेल आईडी वाज देयर। बट फॉर फॉरवर्डिंग we have to tell that to whom we want to send the mail. Okay, now चलिए पहले मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको how it can be done. Suppose this mail, okay, I want to forward. Click on this, mail is ready here, this mail. At the bottom of the mail you will get a button forward. Okay, उसके अलावा यहाँ पर भी आपको मिलेगा फॉरवर्ड बटन, क्लियर है। फ्रॉम एनीवेयर यू कैन यूज इट। सपोज हेयर आई एम यूजिंग फॉरवर्ड, फॉरवर्ड किया, हेयर आई एम एडिंग अ ईमेल आईडी, दिस ईमेल आईडी आई हैव मेंशन्ड, क्लिक ऑन सेंड, दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स, बट यू हैव टू मेंशन द ईमेल आईडी इन द फॉरवर्ड मैसेज सेंट, क्लियर। नेक्स्ट इज हाउ टू प्रिंट अ मेल, कैसे प्रिंट करेंगे, सिंपल, अगेन ओपन अ मेल, सबसे पहला काम ओपन अ मेल, फाइन, एंड आफ्टर ओपनिंग द मेल यू हैव टू क्लिक द डाउन और एरो नेक्स्ट टू द रिप्लाई, रिप्लाई के बिल्कुल नेक्स्ट में रिप्लाई के यू विल गेट द बटन ऑफ प्रिंटिंग, देन कनेक्ट टू द प्रिंटर, इफ एनी प्रिंटर इज इंस्टॉल्ड देन सेलेक्ट print. To print the entire conversation, open the conversation which you want to print. चलिए देखते हैं इसे भी। Suppose this same mail I want to print. Here I have opened the mail. यहाँ रिप्लाई था, रिप्लाई के पास में ही आपको दिखेगा प्रिंट, क्लिक ऑन दैट। जिसे ही आप प्रिंट पे क्लिक करेंगे दिस बॉक्स विल ओपन। फ्रॉम हेयर यू कैन सेलेक्ट द नेम ऑफ द प्रिंटर्स विच यू वांट टू, from which you want to get printed. Okay, right now I have not installed any of the printer, that's why just select the printer and from here click on print. Fine, देखिए printer select करते ही here the instead of save print option is there. Clear? This is how you can print. Right now I am clicking on cancel because I don't have any installed printer here on my system. Fine, देन लास्ट में आपने प्रिंट पे क्लिक करना है, दैट्स इट। नाउ हाउ टू डिलीट अ मेल, एक मेल को आपने डिलीट करना है, फाइन। यूज़र कैन डिलीट एज मैनी मेल्स एज ही और शी वांट, अपनी मर्जी से हम अपना अकाउंट मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू ओपन द मैसेज विच वी वांट टू डिलीट, उसके बाद click the down arrow next to the reply button at the top right of the message and click the delete button. चलिए देखते हैं कहाँ ये, here. Suppose here let me here this message I want to delete. Okay, for deleting this message I have opened this mail, and here you can see this dustbin like symbol, delete option. Fine, click on this mail is deleted. Isn't it easy? Only we have to operate once. Fine. Next is adding a signature. How to add a signature? An email signature is a block of text that is appended to the end of an email message that is sent. अब signature होते क्या हैं? जो हम मेल के लास्ट में लिखते हैं ना, विद रिगार्ड्स फ्रॉम दिस ABC, जो भी आप मीन्स नॉर्मल पेपर पे तो हम अपना नाम साइन जैसे एप्लीकेशन लिखते हैं लास्ट में, योर सिंसियरली एंड ऑल that part is called signature. In email, how you can add your signatures? First of all, open your Gmail. At the top right corner, setting icon is there. In the setting, click on the setting icons, then scroll down to signature section. चलिए पहले देख लेते हैं ये how it can be done. Here you can see this Gmail window is there. Here you will see this setting option. Okay, click on setting. सेटिंग में से फिर सेटिंग क्लिक किया मैंने. नाउ इट्स लोडिंग. हेयर यू विल गेट सिग्नेचर. देखिए ज़रा सिग्नेचर कहाँ है. वी आर स्क्रॉलिंग डाउन फॉर द सिग्नेचर. यस, दिस. टिल नाउ नो सिग्नेचर इज एडेड हेयर. आई वॉन्ट टू एड न्यू. ओके, एंड हेयर आई विल एड रेखा Sharma. Okay, and create. Done. Now we are coming back. Oh, sorry. After changing here in the last, you will get save changes. Fine. Click on save changes. Now you are back. This is how we have added a signature, and from next time whenever you compose a mail, the signatures will be auto edit. Now next topic is creating a folders or label for archiving mails. Means कुछ mails को categorize proper, like this mail is related to professional, this is related to personal, this is related to a specific topic. So we can labelize our specific mails. Now how that can be done? First of all, Gmail provides label for organizing your email messages into categories like work, family, to do, read later or any other category which you want. Labels are customizable, means अपनी मर्जी से हम बना सकते हैं, and we can remove them also. Okay, these are private for every Gmail user or every mail user. They work like folders. जैसे हम अपने सिस्टम में अलग अलग टाइप की फाइल्स रखने के लिए अलग अलग टाइप के फोल्डर बना देते हैं, अलग अलग नेम देते हैं. In the same way here this label is used, but one can add more than one to a message or delete labels as per the need. जिस लेबल की ज़रूरत हो वो बना लो, नहीं ज़रूरत हो then remove that. Use the steps given here. We can easily create. On the left below your label list, click more, and if you don't see more, drag the gray dividing line down to show more labels. Then click create new label. Type the name of your label and click on create. चलिए पढ़ने में तो इजी लग रहा है. Let's try it. Here I am here on my mail. Suppose this mail I have selected. Okay, this mail I want to put in, I want to create a label with the name school. Okay, I have selected this. From here you can see this is label. I clicked on it. Already कुछ label बने हुए हैं, है ना. Few labels are already there, but I want to create some other labels. Fine. For that click here create new. Here I am typing holiday homework HHW. Fine. Then create. Label is created. बन गया लेबल और आपकी मेल पे भी HHW अपने आप आ गया. ओके, सपोज मैं अब इस मेल को हटाते हैं, अनटिक करते हैं, ये आराम से पता चल रहा है ये इस फोल्डर की मेल है. सपोज दिस ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू ऐड टू दैट सेम. अब मेरा ऑलरेडी माई लेबल इज़ रेडी, सिर्फ मुझे इस मेल को उस लेबल पे टैग करना है. व्हाट टू डू? हेयर अगेन गो टू लेबल और यहाँ से सिर्फ आपने सेलेक्ट करना है. एंड हेयर यू कैन सी मैंने 2 लेबल किए हैं, बोथ आर इजीली विजिबल. क्लियर है? आई थिंक द कॉन्सेप्ट इज वेरी मच क्लियर. ओके, नाउ ईमेल इज अ वेरी फास्ट रिलायबल. हमने अब आज का कंक्लूजन है ये, क्या क्या देखा हमने, क्या सीखा? इट्स अ फास्ट एंड रिलायबल मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन that is free and easily accessible. Email allows people to foster long lasting, long distancing communication. They are delivered instantly. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you. Take care.